Check out the new rich text editor for calendar descriptions. You're going to love this feature because it's going to allow you to create much more engaging, readable, and customizable calendar descriptions. This is really going to enhance the user experience because you're going to have all of these new formatting options. There are a ton of benefits with this. First, it's going to enhance readability. Now, your calendar descriptions are going to become much more visual, and that is going to bring more appeal, and they're going to be easier to read. You'll also be able to now highlight important information. This is huge. We want to be able to make sure the people booking on our calendars really are drawn to the information that matters so they actually read it. And the other thing I love about this is that now we're able to match branding with custom background colors, text, and we're going to be able to match our theme of our business and our website. So, as far as practical use, now when you're creating a calendar to schedule a client meeting, you can use a rich text editor to format the meeting details, making it so much easier for clients to understand what they need to know and keep in mind the key points about booking an appointment with you. Let's go into settings first. Now, once you're in the settings menu, you're going to click on calendars and make sure you're on calendars in the upper navigation. You can edit an existing calendar or you can go ahead and create a new one. Now, let's access that rich text editor. So, this is going to be under meeting details and then it's under the description. You can view the details after you've created that calendar. And here you can see the bullet points, the text that is actually hyperlinked. This is a really solid way to help your booking clients understand what the appointment is about, what they need to do, and solidify that appointment with you. This feature improves the functionality and the appearance of your calendar descriptions, ensuring effective communication with your clients. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.